The sneaky little cat crept up the garden tree. Down came a bird and chirped so playfully. Out came the sunshine, the cat gave a meow. And the sneaky little cat crept up the tree somehow. The sneaky little cat chased a butterfly. Up went her paws as it fluttered through the sky. Out came the breezes that blew it far away. So the sneaky little cat went looking for her play. The sneaky little cat pounced upon a ball. Round went the toy as it bounced along the wall. Out came the children who laughed with joy and cheer. And the sneaky little cat purred softly, "I am here."